This video demonstrates how to conduct a chlorine secondary standard verification on your SP-600 handheld water multimeter. Press the OK button to power on the unit. Then press the left arrow button to navigate to chlorine. Press OK to select chlorine. This verification process is identical for both free and total chlorine. However, secondary standard verification is a requirement for drinking water measurement in EPA-registered applications. So for this video, we will conduct a secondary standard verification on free chlorine. For this process, you will need Pyxis DPD chlorine secondary standard, offer in 1 or 2 ppm concentrations. This unique liquid standard is provided with an official certificate of analysis specifying its range of accuracy. It should be used to validate the DPD free chlorine calibration of the SP-600 prior to conducting a test on an EPA-regulated water system. Insert the standard into the sample well and press the right arrow button to begin the reaction timer. When the timer ends, press the OK button to get a finalized reading. If the final reading is within the tolerance of the certificate of analysis, your unit is accurate and ready for use. If the final reading is outside of the tolerance, please refer to the sample cup cleaning and calibration procedure in the operation manual.